Subscribe to my YouTube channel Heartfulness OM and press the bell icon to watch my latest videos first.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Heartfulness OM, and today I'm going to do a product review video, and today I'm going to review Bleach Kajal. You can see it's a very small Kajal. Packaging is really small, and like this you have to open it from here. Just pick it up, and like this you have to open it, and this is the Kajal, and you can see the consistency like this. It's really thick Kajal, and you can see here I have applied bleach. I'm reviewing this bleach right now, and I have reviewed this two lipsticks. If you want to watch Huda Beauty lipstick and Lakme lipstick review, then you can check on my channel. So this is the Kajal, and it's really thick and very bright black color. This Kajal is actually budget friendly. I don't remember the price of this product exactly right now, but it was not more than 30 rupees or 50 rupees. I don't think it's for 50 rupees. It was for I think 25 to 30 rupees only, and its quantity is 2 gram, which is really nice. And it reminds me of old times. Our mothers, grandmother used to apply the kajal like this. So if you are like someone who loves putting up kajal with their hand like this, like from taking here and applying like this, then it's for you. If you want to buy, you can buy this. Its smell is okay. Its smell is like a kajal, that kajal smell, it's like that. But its packaging is really worst. Please change your packaging if you're watching this video. I really love this product, but packaging is really bad. Applying this product in your eyes is a little bit difficult, because you have to ruin your hand to apply this lipstick. Overall, this why I'm saying lipstick, it's kajal because I was reviewing lipstick, then that's why I'm saying lipstick again and again. Anyways, so this kajal is really nice. I really love the kajal. It stays in your eyes for I think 5 to 6 hours if you apply like 2-3 coats. And I give this product 6.5 marks out of 10, because ingredients are not mentioned here. It's just written here the name and the quantity or something. I can't even read. So yes, it was in outer packaging. I think there was outer packaging also, which I just removed. I don't know why. Anyways, this product is really nice. I give this product 6.5 marks out of 10. It's budget friendly. Its quantity is really nice. It's like smell is okay. And only the thing I didn't like about this product is its packaging. Packaging is really bad. Overall, if you think you want any cheap I should not say cheap, budget friendly kajal, then go for it. I think it's really nice. I do use this kajal every day, and yeah, this was my review. And if you want to buy this product, then go for it. And this video is not sponsored. I have purchased this product with my own money. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Right now I am reviewing this bleach on my channel, so if you want to watch this video, then you can just go to my channel or check description box below to watch this video. And yeah, check out my first lookbook. I have just uploaded my first winter lookbook on my channel. If you're interested, then do watch that video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye. Follow me on Instagram at heartfulness_om, and you can check my channel for more videos on cooking, skincare, beauty tips, hairstyle, hair care, my vlogs, religious videos, some motivation videos. So yeah, I hope you have